Every broiler chicken begins long before the hatch, inside carefully managed breeder farms.
Only fertilized eggs from healthy breeder hens move forward in this process.
Automation protects each egg from damage at the very first stage.
Early inspection prevents problems later inside the incubator.
Specialized trays keep eggs stable during transport.
Each egg is logged, traced, and counted before leaving the farm.
Precision handling protects fragile cargo. Temperature control begins even before transport. Stable conditions keep embryos viable.
Every shipment is verified before it moves.
The journey to incubation begins here.
From farm to factory, timing is critical.
Hours matter when life is developing inside each shell. This is where incubation technology takes over.
Biosecurity begins before the truck even enters the facility.
Every delivery is verified to protect the entire operation.
Once cleared, the eggs move deeper into controlled territory. Sudden temperature shifts can stop development instantly. Electric forklifts reduce vibration and exhaust risk. Each rack carries thousands of developing lives. Millions of eggs are synchronized inside this space. Consistency protects every developing embryo. Even microscopic risks are removed before entry. Every variable is measured, adjusted, and recorded. Technology watches what human eyes cannot. Loading must be flawless to maintain uniform development. Each machine replaces 1,000 brooding hens. Millimeter accuracy ensures equal heat exposure. This is where incubation truly begins. Movement mimics the instincts of a living hen. Sensors maintain balance second by second.
The incubation cycle is now fully underway.
Cleaning protects embryos from invisible threats.
Before incubation begins, every egg must be perfectly clean.
Water chemistry is tightly controlled at this stage.
Mechanical contact is carefully limited. Dry shells prevent bacterial growth. Light exposes what the eye alone cannot see.
human judgment still plays a critical role.
Nothing unsuitable moves forward.
Uniform weight leads to uniform hatching.
Consistency begins with precise sorting. Orientation matters even before incubation. Every tray carries a digital identity.
Prepared batches wait for precise timing. Clean, sorted eggs now return to incubation flow.
This stage controls the first 18 days of life. Conditions inside are already precisely balanced. Uniform placement ensures equal development. Airflow replaces the warmth of a brooding hen. Movement keeps embryos alive and centered.
Even half a degree can change outcomes.
Moisture balance shapes healthy chicks. Gas exchange is carefully controlled.
Software replaces instinct with data.
Uniform heat means synchronized hatching.
Human oversight reinforces automation.
Green lights mean development stays on track.
Life takes shape inside each shell.
The process continues without interruption. Soon, incubation enters its final stage.
Work with Godspeed.
At day 18, development enters its most delicate phase. Timing here determines hatch success. Only viable embryos continue. Automation minimizes shock during movement. Orientation changes prepare chicks to break free. These machines focus on emergence, not growth. Inside, chicks prepare for their first breath.
The transformation reaches its peak.
Thousands hatch within hours.
Gentle handling protects fragile life.
Waste is removed instantly. Hatching complete, the journey continues.
Automation now takes over chick handling.
Vision systems detect what humans cannot.
Data-driven decisions shape flock quality.
Protection begins within seconds of hatching.
Every chick is individually verified.
Early hydration improves survival.
Precision replaces estimation.
Uniform groups grow more evenly. Handling remains gentle, even at scale.
Consistency speeds every downstream step. Automation never works alone.
Flow control prevents stress.
Every chick leaves a digital footprint. Precision now replaces speed.
Final human eyes confirm machine decisions.
Uniform starts lead to uniform growth.
Air becomes the final comfort control.
Stability reduces early stress. Each batch knows exactly where it's going.
No batch leaves without passing inspection.
Random sampling keeps standards honest.
Energy levels reveal early health.
Every detail affects farm performance.
Uniform weight predicts uniform growth.
Invisible threats are taken seriously. Only approved batches move forward. Quality control hands off to logistics. Precision continues until the very last step.
Careful handling ensures chicks remain safe.
Careful logistics completes the production cycle.
From egg to chick, the process is seamless.